Earn money from home. The health benefits of bitter leaf juice you need to know. Did you know there's a leaf that can improve your health, prevent diseases, and even make you money from the comfort of your home? Meet the magical bitter leaf juice. Stay tuned because today, I'm going to reveal its hidden secrets and show you how to start a business with this health-boosting beverage. Welcome to Prince Sam Official, the channel that brings you practical business ideas, wealth-building strategies, and inspiration for success. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it with others, and leave a comment below. Your support means the world to me. Let's dive in. What is bitter leaf? Bitter leaf, scientifically known as Vernonia amygdalina, is a green leafy plant widely found in Africa and Asia. It's well known for its bitter taste and numerous medicinal properties. From aiding digestion to fighting cancer cells, bitter leaf is a powerhouse of nutrients such as vitamins A, C, E, B1, and B2, as well as antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Step-by-step guide to extract bitter leaf juice. Step 1. Gather the materials. Here's what you'll need. Fresh bitter leaves, as many as you can source locally. A clean bowl or basin. Clean water. A blender or mortar and pestle, optional for faster processing. A fine sieve or cheesecloth. Sterilized bottles for storing the juice. Step 2. Wash the bitter leaves. 1. Rinse the leaves thoroughly to remove dirt, dust, and any insects. 2. Rub the leaves vigorously in water until the green juice starts to seep out. Change the water and repeat this step 2 to 3 times. Step 3. Extract the juice. 1. Transfer the washed leaves to a blender, add a little water, and blend until smooth. Alternative, pound the leaves in a mortar if you don't have a blender. 2. Strain the blended mixture using a fine sieve or cheesecloth. Squeeze out all the juice. Step 4. Bottle and store. 1. Pour the extracted juice into sterilized bottles. 2. Store the bottles in the refrigerator to preserve freshness. Bitter leaf juice can last up to 7 days when refrigerated, making bitter leaf juice for business. Step 1. Identify your market. Research your local and online market. Focus on customers who are health conscious or seeking natural remedies for ailments. Step 2. Packaging. Invest in quality, reusable, and eco-friendly bottles. Labels should include product name, for example, fresh bitter leaf juice, ingredients and expiration date, health benefits. Step 3. Pricing. Set a competitive price based on your production cost. For instance, if one bottle costs $1 to produce, consider selling it for $2, $3. Step 4. Marketing and sales. 1. Social media. Use platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook to demonstrate the juice-making process and share customer testimonials. 2. Local markets. Partner with health stores, gyms, and farmers markets. 3. Online sales. Offer delivery services for orders placed through your website or social media. Uses and health benefits of bitter leaf juice. Uses. As a refreshing health drink. Mixed with honey or other herbal infusions for improved taste and benefits. Health benefits. 1. Detoxification. Cleanses the liver and kidneys. 2. Diabetes management. Helps regulate blood sugar levels. 3. Weight loss. Boosts metabolism and aids digestion. 4. Anti-inflammatory properties. Reduces inflammation in the body. 5. Improves skin health. Rich in antioxidants that fight aging. 6. Fights infections. Strengthens the immune system. Scientific evidence and anecdotes. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Plants confirms that bitter leaf contains compounds effective against diabetes and hypertension. Many users have shared personal stories of overcoming illnesses like malaria and poor digestion by regularly consuming bitter leaf juice. How to start and scale the business. Step 1. Start small. Begin by producing and selling to friends, family, and your local community. Step 2. Register your business. As your business grows, register it officially to operate legally. Step 3. Scale production. Invest in juicing machines and bottling equipment to increase production. Step 4. Expand marketing. Create educational content about bitter leaf juice, such as blogs or videos, to attract more customers. How to grow bitter leaf at home, a simple guide. 1. Choose the right location. Select a sunny spot with well-drained soil. Bitter leaf thrives in warm climates and needs plenty of sunlight. 2. Source the plant. Obtain bitter leaf cuttings or seeds from a local market or nursery. 3. Prepare the soil. Loosen the soil and mix it with organic compost or manure for added nutrients. Bitter leaf grows best in slightly acidic to neutral soil, pH 6 to 7. 4. Planting. Cuttings. Plant the stem cutting 6 to 8 inches deep into the soil, ensuring at least 2 nodes are buried. Seeds. Sow the seeds half-inch deep and cover lightly with soil. 5. Watering. Water the plant regularly, keeping the soil moist but not waterlogged. Bitter leaf plants need consistent watering, especially during dry spells. 6. Maintenance. Weed the area around the plants to prevent competition for nutrients. Prune the plant to encourage bushy growth and increase leaf yield. 7. Harvesting. Begin harvesting leaves 2 to 3 months after planting. Pick mature leaves as needed, ensuring not to overharvest to allow continuous growth. By following these steps, you can grow bitter leaf plants in your backyard or pots and enjoy a steady supply for personal use or business. Bitter leaf juice is not just a superfood, it's a super business opportunity. From its incredible health benefits to its potential to make you a steady income, there's no reason not to start today. Whether you're looking to improve your health, help others, or create a new source of income, bitter leaf juice can do it all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. If you're ready to start your bitter leaf juice business or have questions, leave them below. Subscribe to Prince Sam Official for more money-making ideas. Remember, Prince Sam Official loves you all.